Today, we will prepare a delicious stuffed potato and get to work. We will begin to cut our piece of meat into smaller pieces. We will also chop an onion. Hey, are you crying? And we will add a little oil in our pan. Once very hot, we will add our meat previously seasoned with salt and pepper. Once well browned, we will add our onion, a little garlic, red panca chili and chopped yellow chili, cumin, salt and dried oregano. And we add the raisins. And we also add olives. We add pepper and a little meat stock or a little water, no problem. Once the kitchen is turned off, we add chopped parsley and we will crush parboiled potatoes. But it has to be hot, and so that the potato doesn't open. Do you have any secrets? This potato is old and has been stored for a long time. That's the secret, so that the potato is elastic and does not break when frying. We add salt and knead very well. Stuffing the potatoes with my hands is difficult for me. Teach me another technique, please. Let's see. With the potato dough stretched in a transparent bag, we fill. We put both parts together and that's it. What a good trick. We pass the potato through beaten egg. We flour very well, and we're going to fry. In a frying pan with plenty of but warm oil, we will put the potato to fry for a few minutes. And that's it. How delicious the stuffed potato looks. We add mayonnaise and ricotta cream. This stuffed potato looks very delicious. If you liked the video, share it with many more people.